Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be transferring this Honda Ridgeline engine bay from this to this. And in this video, I'll show you guys how to do it yourself. Let's go. So the intake manifold is all cleaned up and all degreased. I'm gonna paint it in some high temperature silver engine paint. And first I'm gonna do the bottom side and then turn it around, do the top side. The middle portion, the bezel, well, the cover on the intake manifold, I'm not gonna paint it silver, but I'm gonna paint it wrinkle black. So that's for later. I got it all covered up right now. And yeah, let's get this painted and I'll come back to you guys. So the two valve covers are off. They're pretty nasty, but that's okay because I'm gonna put some paint remover, paint stripper on top of it before I can prep them for paint. I do have two new seal kits to remove all the seals and reinstall some new ones, so that's good because, well, over there, the back of the engine was leaking. So yeah, I need these guys. I'm gonna start to remove the paint and then after that we can paint it. And we're back. So this valve cover is ready. I used my aircraft's paint stripper on it, and then after that I used some high pressure water to clean it all off, wire brushed it again, and then it's ready for paint. This one isn't ready yet. So as you can see, I have some residue of the paint stripper. All of this will have to go, just like this. And I still have some paint left on here, so I will just pass with some with a wire brush, and then after that it's ready for paint. So even if not all the paint is off, if it's sticking now, it will stick later on as well. So passing with the wire brush will make the surface a bit rough, so I can paint it with our wrinkle paint. That's it. So I'm just gonna clean this guy up, put this guy ready for paint, that one ready for paint, and then I will show you how to paint the valve covers with the wrinkle paint. Got the first front valve cover ready. Got some bolts in the holes that I don't want to get painted up, and I did mask off everything that needs to be masked off. And we're gonna paint it with VHC Wrinkle Plus. We're gonna do it in 4 layers. Usually I do it in 3 layers, but I'm just trying around with 4 layers. So first layer is diagonal this way, second layer is diagonal that way, and then we do it horizontally like this, and then 4th layer like this, and after that we just hit it with our trusty heat gun, and then you will see that when it starts to dry up, then there is like a small portion that will dry up, and it will end up looking like this. But I will show you guys that when time will come. So first off, we shake the bottle for about 1 minute, and then after that we can start painting. That's the finished result, and I'm very, very pleased with it. So 2 valve covers coated in wrinkle black paint, the top cover of the intake manifold as well, and then the intake manifold and throttle body painted in silver engine paint. I really like the results. So in the last clip you saw, I heat gunned the valve covers. That's to get the wrinkle out, and then after that I got it, well, it was drying for more than 24 hours I think, because I wasn't here yesterday. I did do the valve clearance adjustment, and after that I installed everything. The engine turns very nice now, and well, it's looking nice as well. So I hope you liked the result, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!